嘿，大家好，我们看一下今天的课。今天我们学习 HSK 3的第三课，Lesson 3 in HSK 3. The title 题目 is the title is 桌子上放着很多饮料。Translations, there are plenty of drinks on the table. We have learned something similar. This structure is not entirely new. We learned 桌子上有 blah blah blah, right? 有一个电脑 or 两个杯子 and the difference is this 放 and 着. Well, we have learned 着 before as well. 着 means being, like the continuous action or the status of a verb, right? 他拿着一支笔 He's holding a pen. 他拿着笔说 He spoke holding a pen. So 这 is a I think, less casual way of 在 plus verb, means ongoing. It's the status of a verb. And the only difference in this structure, only thing new is the word 放, which is a special type of word. We call them location verbs. It means to be placed, or no, sorry, it means to place. Words like this, there are a few of them. For example, the word sit. Something is sitting there, is being seated there. Or 写, written, something is being written there. So 写着, 放着. And what else? Or 坐着, right? Sit, someone is sitting there. Or 住, to live, right? All these words have a sense of existence in a location, and that is the forming of this structure. So it's not new, but there's something new. 桌子上放着很多饮料。饮料 is beverage. It's usually non-alcoholic beverage. Now the first test we have is 小刚 and 小丽. So 小刚 and 小丽 went traveling, so they're quite close now. They're in 小丽's home, 在小丽家. And 小刚说明天是晴天还是阴天？晴天 a sunny day, 阴天 a cloudy day. We have 还是 that's a new grammar point. 还是 means or. It's used in a question, usually a question to say this or that. It's a new type of question. We call them a selective question, or well, I'm not sure about that. All right, so do you want an apple or a pear, right? Or the word or is 还是。小丽说阴天 cloudy day. 电视上说多云。多云 is a special word. It's a one word. Literally means many clouds, or the word means cloudy. 电视上 on the TV it says. Right, so here there's an it in English, but it's omitted in Chinese, so we don't have that concept of it. What is it? Just on the television says 多云。怎么了? What's the matter? We learned that before. 怎么了? 有事 have matter. It's a very succinct or very simple. You have business, have matter. 小刚 says 没事 have not business. 我们明天要去爬山. Alright, what does this 要 mean in here? 爬山 is to climb a mountain, climb hill. Go climb a mountain. We are going to, we shall, we want to, we would like to, so this is going to happen. So this 要 is all those meanings. But in here, I think it's more like it is going to happen. Something's going to happen. So we are going to go climb a mountain. And Xiao Li says being very nice. I think she's the girlfriend. at this stage. We said 爬山的时候，时候 again 的时候 when blah 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 when you were 爬山 when you are 爬山 in 要 that is another 要 and these two yaws are not exactly the same. 要 means you need to because 小心 means careful. 点儿 a bit you should be a bit careful. Should this is what 要 really means. Right? This is I'm going to this is gonna happen. This one you need to do something. Right? Should 要小心点。小刚 said 好，你也去吗？去 obviously 去爬山。小丽 says 我不去。I'm not going. 我有事。有事 is a very useful phrase in Chinese. I have business. I've got something to do. Quite blurry, quite obscure. Like I don't know. It's ambiguous. But I have business. I have matters. So okay. So we use that a lot instead of disclosing what you are going to do. Sometimes all you have to do as an excuse, you say 我有事. And then in the second conversation, we have 周太太 and 周明 again. So we all know 周明 is a bit of a pig, and 周太太 a bit weak really. They have a very unhealthy relationship as far as I'm concerned. Okay, but they are happy. That's their business. Now, who am I to judge? 周太太 says, 你觉得这条裤子怎么样？这条 measure word 裤子 is the trousers. 怎么样 How about? How about these trousers? As far as you feel, you think. And 周明 says, 我记得你已经 I remember 记得 you have already 有 have possess 两条 two pairs of 条 is used as to describe trousers to measure trousers so it's pair 这样的裤子了这样的 is used to modify 裤子 with the help of the we have 这样 this kind of trousers of this kind. So that means let's stop buying things, right? You're a woman, you buy too many things. That's I think, the line between lines. And 周太太, well, okay, being very weak, 周太太 says, then 那我们再看看别的。别 is other, 别的 is others, is none. 别的，我喜欢别的。Okay, 我不喜欢这个。我喜欢别的。再 again or more, right? More of the same action. So 看看 have a look about others a bit more. Then again we look at something else. 周明 says, 这件衬衫怎么样？这件 measure word. 衬衫 is a shirt. Like usually long sleeve shirt. 怎么样 How about? And 周太太 says 还不错 not wrong means good. 才 make it very soft. Still not good means that's not bad. Or we say 还可以 we learned that before. That also means the same thing. 多少钱 And 周明 says the grammar point again. 这上面写着写 written is being written. What's being written? 320元 is being written on this. Right? On 上面 on above or on like even if it's on the surface we still use the word 上 in Chinese. Like sometimes like the book on the book 书上写着 blah blah blah, right? That's the information is on the book instead of in the book. In English, you close the book, it's inside the book, but in Chinese is on the paper, so it's on. Now, 周太太 says 买一件。周太太 is being very nice, okay, to 周明。320元 I don't know when this book was written, but that's pretty expensive for one shirt. Well, I mean, for me, maybe they're rich. Now, number 3 is 周太太 and 周明 are going to the 水果店 fruit store. 店商店书店 bookstore 商店 just a business store 水果店 a fruit store. 周太太说 这些水果真新鲜，新鲜 fresh, really fresh. These, right? 这个 and 这些，这个 is this one, 这些是 these. 水果真新鲜。我们买西瓜还是苹果 or yeah, watermelon or apple. 周明 says very very casual way 是西瓜吧 watermelon 吧 so I suggest watermelon 你看 take a look you look 这上面写着 again the same sentence it's being written on 西瓜不甜不要钱 right there's two statements 西瓜不甜 watermelon not sweet 不要钱 we don't want money but if you think about it there's a condition actually sometimes we just Chinese people in Chinese we just put two statements there for you to guess to judge what the conjunction it really is this is a condition if 西瓜不甜如果西瓜不甜 then 那我不要钱 right and then 周太太说 then 我们买一个大点儿的吧，大点儿 a bit bigger 的西瓜 right大点儿 means a bit big or bigger one and 周明说再买几个苹果 we bought something and then the action of buying is gonna happen again to some 苹果 several not how many several 苹果周太太说好啊今天晚上只吃水果，不吃饭。Only eat fruit, not eat dinner. Right? That is again two actions together. It's parallel. We only eat fruit. We don't eat dinner. Or it's not dinner. It's fun. It's food, like a meal or something. Right. So that's the number 3. Oh, we're running out of time. Number 4. 小丽说。桌子上放着很多饮料，你喝什么 ？The title of the lesson. I'm not going to talk about that again. 小刚 says 茶或者咖啡都可以，都 both 可以 OK. And then we have a 或者 and you see here, if you look at it here, it means conjunction word means all. The difference between 或者 and 还是 we just learned 还是 还是 is being used usually being used a question. 或者 is used in a statement. Okay, I want this or that. All right, and 你喝什么 what you want to drink? 小丽说我喝茶，茶是我的最爱 most love. It's a beautiful word. It means my favorite. Or if you want to use 喜欢 that's fine too, but you need a the there. 最喜欢的茶是我最喜欢的 the is gone because 最喜欢的that takes away that maybe not. Oh, okay, anyway, 天冷了或者工作累了的时候when that's two. It's cold when it's cold or when we're tired of work, right? We're tired of working. 喝杯茶 喝杯热茶会很舒服 right 很舒服 comfortable what can be comfortable a person 我很舒服 I'm comfortable or thing can be comfortable 椅子这把椅子很舒服 this chair is very comfortable or an action drinking a glass or cup of hot tea is comfortable right 小刚 says 你喜欢喝什么茶花茶、绿茶 flower tea, green tea, 红茶 black tea 我都喜欢 I all like and I like jasmine tea 茉莉花茶 Alright 很好喝好 that's all for lesson 14 hope you had a good time and see you next time bye bye